In 1926, Babs, a 27-litre Liberty aero-engined Leyland, was carrying away the world land speed record on Pendine Sands at 171 miles per hour, with designer Parry Thomas at the wheel. But a year later, Malcolm Campbell had captured the record, and Babs was back. Tragically, there was an accident. Parry Thomas lost his life. His last wish was that the car be buried in the sands. 42 years later, amidst much controversy, Babs was dug up by a team led by Owen Wyn from North Wales. Through his skill and determination, Owen Wyn has brought Babs back from the grave.
And the car had indeed been badly damaged in the actual crash. The front axle there had been bent backwards, and the rear axle on this side had been bent forwards, and the whole top of the engine here, where the distributor and this offside camshaft had all been ripped off, because the car slid for about half a mile on the sand upside down before righting itself onto its three remaining wheels.
But all those problems had been overcome, and Owen put Babs through her paces on the Welsh sands once more. It is his tribute to the late Parry Thomas, the Leyland engineer who lived and died for her.